Hi guys, and welcome back to Shelly's Homemade. I'm Shelly, and today we are going to be making garlic parmesan chicken, the whole wing. These have been cleaned and washed with salt and vinegar, and they are clean. And sometimes you might find a straggler. I did just find one on here. I'm gonna soaked and clean this thing. Okay, it's no here or there. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I have patted these dry already. These things had that like the hairy strand. I thought I got them all. Oh, anyway, I'm talking too much about the way I cleaned this chicken, and it just made me feel like I didn't do what I was supposed to do. But I know I did what I was supposed to do because I did. Anyway, I cleaned and washed this chicken, and so we're gonna be making garlic parmesan. So first thing we're gonna do, I patted these things dry already. I took a paper towel and I dried them so that when I put all my stuff on it, it will adhere. And then when I put it on my rack and put it in the oven, it will crisp up nice and crispy for me, guys. And so what I'm going to do first is pull my oil in, and then I'm going to get my seasoning in. My oven is telling me it's ready for me. Okay, so like I said, I have a half a cup of olive oil, a half a teaspoon of salt, I have 2 tablespoons of this seasoning called garlic parmesan. I found it at Sam's Club. I have a tablespoon of parsley flakes. I have some pepper. I have a teaspoon of pepper. I have a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of seasoning. So let's get started on this quick and easy recipe that I like to do for you guys. So I'm gonna get my gloves on because we're gonna be playing with this chicken. Have y'all guys made garlic parmesan? I know everybody heard of garlic parmesan chicken, but have you made it? That's the thing. Have you made this chicken before? I have my chicken here and my olive oil. So my olive oil is gonna help this crisp up and also help the seasoning stick to the chicken. And my salt, and try to do it up from high, and that was pink Mahalian salt, guys. And my garlic parmesan seasoning that I found at Sam's Club, my seasoning, my parsley, my onion powder, my black pepper. You can also make it spicy. You can add a little cayenne pepper. You can add some red chili flakes, red pepper flakes, whatever. This is my garlic. So, in here. Oop, runaway chicken, come back. Overboard! Chicken overboard, man down. So, I'm getting it all mixed in here, just like this. And you want to get it in, you want to coat the chicken. You can do this in your sink if you don't have this kind of bowl or a big enough bowl. You can just do it in your sink. Just clean your sink out really good, guys, before and after. And you can just flip this and you'll have more room inside of your sink. So I'm getting this in here just like this. Look at that. Look how fully coated it is. And I dried them off. Don't forget to take a paper towel and blot them dry. Just blot them dry. Alright. Pour over my rack. I put linen foil underneath for a few reasons. I really didn't want to have to scrape and clean this cookie sheet like that, and you know, all the drippings go down the bottom, get stuck and everything. So I sprayed the linen foil, the aluminum foil, and my rack. Okay, and that way when I pull my chicken up, it won't get stuck. Okay, it won't get stuck. So remember to spray the areas, guys, and once I clean my pan, it'll just wipe right off whatever didn't drip down that got past the aluminum foil. Will I can just wipe up. So easy cleanup, guys. Easy cleanup. And if you got an old one, and see, this is the secondary. This is not an old one. I can like lift and show you guys. It's a really good new one. Not new. I hadn't had it for maybe 4 or 5 years or whatever. But even if you got an old one, I got some old ones too that and you don't want, you know, and it just don't look good. Just put some aluminum foil over it. It's fine. It's fine. Aluminum foil and spray it. If you don't have a rack, you can just do this with the. You can just lay it straight on the aluminum foil. Don't worry about it. But I wanted to use my rack, and this is my cooling rack that I use for my cookies as well. But what I wanted was to get this rack on here so that the air will circulate and make it even crispier. So when I put the garlic butter with the Parmesan cheese on it, it will be fantastic, guys. It will be nice and crispy and everything. It will be everything, honey, everything. So let's get our chicken and give it some room. Give it some room. And I'm doing whole wings. You can cut these in half if you want. But, you know, for me, why bother? You know, get it on there. Just give it a little room. You ain't got to give too much room, but just enough where it's not exactly touching. You know? And I know y'all probably can see in the video my little headphone case, and y'all probably wondering what that is. It's my Bluetooth headphone case. It charges the Bluetooth. I'm gonna get my chicken on here. And this chicken smells amazing already, guys. And just lay them out there, you know? Lay them out there. Smells good. Get in there. Get in there. Nope. Try that. And my last one. There we go. All the chicken. Everything is all in there. And see my bowl. Look, it don't even have any seasoning left because I mixed it all over my chicken. I got it in there. So, what I'm going to do now is get this into a 400-degree oven and let this bake for about 35 to 40 minutes until it becomes crispy, golden brown. And then once that happens, we're going to toss this guy. We're going to drizzle and toss it in some garlic parmesan, and then we're going to have a bowl with this chicken, honey. We're going to have a bowl with this chicken. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, and my wings are out of the oven. They are absolutely gorgeous. Just look at them. I'm breaking it apart. So tender. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Like crispy and golden brown and gorgeous. So in my pot, I am heating up, or I'm melting some butter. So I got my butter and parsley. This is a tablespoon of garlic and a half a teaspoon of parsley. Let's get that in there. And you can use fresh garlic if you want to, but I really didn't want to taste that raw garlic taste on my chicken. So that's why I'm using a powder. You can use that. And if you don't want to use butter or margarine or whatever you have, use olive oil instead. You can use coconut oil. Use all of that stuff. Avocado oil would be great. But I'm just going to butter the chicken. I'm going to butter it on both sides. Come on. I'm just going to butter it on both sides. I'm just going to bring the pan to me. like so. And get it in there like that. And it doesn't take long to get these buttered on both sides like this. So once you actually butter one side, then we're going to take Parmesan cheese like this and just sprinkle it right on the pan. Right on the pan, just like that. And that garlic butter is going to help the Parmesan cheese to stick. And you got garlic Parmesan chicken. And we're going to do the other side. How quick and easy this is. Look at that. Everything I do in this kitchen. Nice and simple, easy, and quick. Look at that. And you turning it over. Beautiful chicken. Look at that. And see the Parmesan not falling off because we buttered that side. And this is why I like to do it with whole chicken wings instead of the German. Because I like eating the tip, so why just waste a whole wing like that? I mean, but you can use wingettes if you want. And still be great. You know, I get it from stores. And it'd be real good like that. Let's just get the other side buttered. And you can do this with lemon pepper. You can just put the butter in there and the lemon pepper. And just get this done. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful chicken. Just like that. Parmesan. Apparently I'm going to use less than this half a cup. Parmesan cheese. I mean, you can sprinkle as much as you want on here, but I think this will be enough for my chicken. Serve these wings at parties, having guests over, good appetizers, like so. There you go. And there you have it. Garlic Parmesan wings, guys. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Alright guys, make you some of this. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can comment down below and let me know how you feel, what you think. Alright, and as always, have a wonderful day.